back to BrewDog.com. Today's video is quite a short one. It's about dry hopping, which is putting hops and other flavours or chemicals into your fermenter after the boil to add flavour or to make it clearer, things like that. If you're wondering how I made this beer, then you need to go to this video. I didn't actually say how many hops I put in for this 5 litre batch. I put 12.5 grams of Citra, 12.5 grams of Simcoe and 12.5 grams of Amarillo and roughly 40 grams of grapefruit peel. Let's get dry hopping. Okay, it's been a week since I put my beer into the fermenter and it went pretty crazy at the beginning. I had to take out the bubbler and give it a good rinse because all the yeast went up into it. You can see that the bubbles are, there's still a few bubbles at the top and there's a massive yeast cake. I don't know if you can see that on here at the bottom. And we've got a nice amber colour. So as I said, it's been a week, so what we need to do now is do a bit dry hopping. So this is Elvis Juice, so it does also call for grapefruit. I've sanitised this for an hour or so in lukewarm water. I've also got a hop bag. I'm going to chuck all the hops in and I've sanitised my hands. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to pop this carefully in there. Smells like beer. The quicker I do this, the less chance of bacteria getting in. That's some time. Job done. One more week of this, and then I'll transfer it all into the beer bottles for conditioning.